ولما جاءهم رسول من عند الله مصدق لما معهم نبذ فريق من الذين أوتوا كتاب الله وراء ظهورهم كأنهم لا يعلمون.
And whenever a messenger from Allah came to them, confirming what they already possessed, a party of those who had been given the scripture flung the book of Allah behind their backs as if they knew nothing.
واتبعوا ما تتلو الشياطين على ملك سليمان وما كفر سليمان ولكن الشياطين كفروا يعلمون الناس السحر وما أنزل على الملكين ببابل هاروت وماروت وما يعلمان من أحد حتى يقولا إنما نحن فتنة فلا تكفر فيتعلمون منهما ما يفرقون به بين المرء وزوجه وما هم بضارين به من أحد إلا بإذن الله ويتعلمون ما يضرهم ولا ينفعهم ولقد علموا لمن اشتراه ما له في الآخرة من خلاق ولبئس ما شروا به أنفسهم لو كانوا يعلمون.
And then followed what the evil ones falsely attributed to the kingdom of Solomon, even though Solomon had never disbelieved. It is the evil ones who disbelieved, teaching people magic. And they followed what had been revealed to the two angels in Babylon, Harut and Marut, although these two angels never taught it to anyone without first declaring, "We are merely a means of testing people, so do not engage in unbelief." And yet they learned from them what might cause division between a man and his wife. They could not cause harm to anyone except by the leave of Allah, and still they learned what harmed rather than profited them, knowing well that he who bought it will have no share in the world to come. Evil indeed is what they sold themselves for, had they but known.
ولو أنهم آمنوا واتقوا لمثوبة من عند الله خير لو كانوا يعلمون.
Had they believed and been God-fearing, Allah's reward would have been better, had they but known.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقولوا راعنا وقولوا انظرنا واسمعوا وللكافرين عذاب أليم.
O you who believe, do not say to the Prophet, Ra'ina, lend ear to us, but say, Unzurna, favor us with your attention, and pay heed to him. A painful chastisement awaits the unbelievers.
ما يود الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب ولا المشركين أن ينزل عليكم من خير من ربكم والله يختص برحمته من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
The unbelievers, be they the people of the book, or those who associate others with Allah in His divinity, Do not wish that any good should be sent down upon you from your Lord. But Allah chooses for His mercy whomsoever He wills. Allah is Lord of abounding bounty.